Olive, are you sure the missing children are in here?
Yes, I'm sure. This daycare, it's been abandoned for a while now, so nobody is allowed in here. It's the perfect place to hide.
Guys, there's someone coming.
Hide!
Go on.
Olive, I thought you said this place was abandoned. I thought that it was. Come on, let's go.
Hide.
There's definitely someone in there. We gotta help them. No, please don't go. It's too dangerous. Why? Look.
Guys, that was freaky. I don't want to end up in a body bag. I'm leaving.
No, wait.
The door's locked, guys. We're stuck in here.
That crazy evil dentist probably locked it.
What does that evil dentist want with those kids anyways?
Whatever the case is, we gotta save those kids and avoid getting caught by that evil dentist.
The door's locked. Let's listen. We gotta get into that room and help those kids. Real, come on, let's charge this thing. Ready? We're gonna use our arm muscles. 1, 2, 3. Charge!
Wait! Guys, we need the element of surprise. We need to make sure that the kids are safe.
Why would we listen to her? She's crazy. Come on.
She has a point, okay? We do need the element of surprise. We don't know this dentist guy. We just heard someone screaming. Let's search the room. Let's find a way through this door.
You used to work here, right? Don't you know where the keys are?
Oh my god.
Oh my god, there's gotta be something in this classroom that can help us get through this door.
Yeah, let's just search.
How long ago did you get fired from this place,
I
Olive?
did not get fired. It was temporary. Shut up and look for something.
Guys, look at this. It says Olivia. Isn't that Olive's real name? What's in this folder? What? Oh my gosh. This is not good for your eyes. Back away.
All I see are a bunch of books about birds.
Birds and bees?
Sorry. I'm pretty sure Olive really did used to work here. Look. This chloroform. Somebody was chloroforming the kids.
Guys, I found a spy ninja backpack here.
What? Whoa. Does this mean one of the kids who got kidnapped's a Spy Ninja fan?
What?
This is a super old backpack from like 2016, 2017.
Before you guys even existed.
This is classic.
Oh, jeez.
What's inside?
What? Something really sharp. Are you okay? Do you need me to lick it off for you?
No.
Oh, okay. I just wanted to help.
But maybe you can explain this, Olive. Why would a kid have help me in his backpack?
That's gotta be finger paint, right?
I think it's blood.
You guys, don't you think now would be a good time to call the police?
Yo.
Yeah, we should have done that, like when we saw the body bag.
Oh, no, don't worry. I got it. I got this. I'm calling the police.
Yeah, you call them. Get them here quick. Is this like a window or something in a prison? Or like an angry face?
That is definitely
It's an angry face for sure.
Here's a house. This house is on fire. Just like when Shinobi's house caught on fire. Look at this. Me, V, Chad. I love your vids. But it's covered in blood. Dear Chad, your ninja skills are so cool. Oh, I think I see where your finger got cut on, V.
What?
Probably a sharp tooth. It's a bag full of teeth. This guy definitely is some sort of demented dentist.
It's so messed up.
He's drilling kids' teeth?
He's pulling their whole teeth out. Olive, are the police coming or what?
Okay, I just got off the phone with the police. They're all responding to an incident that's happening in the area, so no police are available for another few hours.
Few hours?
Dude.
This is an incident happening in the area right now.
What could be bigger than this?
I don't know, maybe someone lost a cat. Whoever's behind that door is gonna be dead in 2 hours.
Whatever, we gotta take care of this ourselves, obviously.
Yeah, we'll handle this. Come on, we gotta get through that door.
Oh,
Oh, jeez. Oh, man. I'm making a mess. Darn it.
There's kids in there dying. We gotta go.
I can't see anything in there.
Chad, you can't open the freaking door.
Rio.
I slipped on something. Where'd it go?
Ew.
Oh. What the heck?
This is one of the dentist's gloves.
And it's got blood on it?
It's on the inside of the glove, so his hand's been bleeding. Why would the dentist have bloody hands? We could give this to the police, and they could identify him. V, can't we pull the blood off of here?
You mean forensics?
Forensics. fingerprints.
I don't have my DNA kit, but he was wearing gloves, so we can't even get, like, fingerprints off of him.
Well, wait, his blood is on the inside of the glove, so maybe if I flip it inside out, his fingerprint would be on the inside of the glove.
Why didn't I think of that?
Yeah, look. Oh, gross.
Oh my gosh, why is there so much blood?
Now we can lift the fingerprints off of this.
Intern, my evidence kit. All right, here's my evidence kit.
Okay.
I actually don't have any, like, tools to lift up the fingerprint, so I need to use whatever's around me. I need tape, paper, and a napkin.
Maybe a brain would help too.
Okay.
Rio! Oh my god.
Gotta help you.
There's tape, scotch tape.
There's no napkins, but there's tissue paper.
Okay, that works too. Oh, this is like parchment paper.
Perfect for lifting fingerprints.
Okay. Thanks, Stormy.
It worked.
Oh my god.
Look at that. A perfect specimen.
I'm gonna take this napkin and remove your bloody glove.
There we go.
Oh, you're so good at that, B.
She's a pro, you know? We still gotta get into that room. The evil dentist is in there. We heard people screaming.
Okay, we need to find out a different way to get in there.
You think they have a crowbar in this classroom?
A crowbar, but they do have a ruler.
Ruler?
Yeah, it should work.
You rule, dude.
Yeah. So if I just wedge it right in here, I'm gonna do exactly what V taught me, and I'm gonna flip it and reverse it.
Rio! I did not teach you that!
I'm too swole.
Okay.
I need like muscle reduction surgery or something.
Yeah, that's exactly what it is.
Oh my gosh!
That sounds horrible.
That doesn't sound like a kid.
That doesn't sound like a kid.
Oh my gosh, they keep drilling.
Guys, I can't see anything through the glass. Anything up high? Is there any cracks up there?
No, there's no cracks.
Maybe down here? Oh my gosh, man! Get right through this!
Can you see anything?
No, I can't see anything. Intern, give me my backpack. Okay. Guys, I have a mini drone in here. It's fat enough. It will fit underneath this. Right here, it has a camera, okay? The drone. Oh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Okay, we really gotta help them. Let's fly this thing.
Put it through the crack, B.
Okay. Okay, here, it's gotta calibrate it. And then flying in.
It popped up on my phone here so we can see where the drone is flying. Okay. That's the crazy dentist guy. He's changing the bits on the drill.
Oh my gosh, let me get a little closer.
Why do you have so many pieces?
Oh, there's blood on the drill bits.
For all different sized teeth.
There's a body bag. Let me fly a little closer.
Okay.
Is it moving?
Doesn't look like it. Let me get a little closer. Ah! Oh my gosh! Back up, back up, back up, back up!
At least the person in the bag is still alive. That's good news.
Let me back it up. Wait, I want to see. Here, let me see.
Are you serious?
We gotta get a little closer. No, don't do that.
Drone crashed it. No, Olive.
I thought you flip it and turn it.
Why would you do that?
Is that
Wait.
the dentist?
That is the dentist.
What's happening?
They're looking towards the drone. They must have heard it crash.
He's coming towards this door right here. Wait,
Wait, guys, go.
kid. He almost got us.
Olive, you're so stupid for killing our drone.
What? It was an accident. Accidents happen. Mistakes get made.
You're freaking crazy, Olive. Did you even really work here?
Of course I worked here. I was such a good employee. I took away recess from all of the students and I made them do twice as much homework and I made them throw away all their snacks so that they wouldn't get obese. And I became Employee of the Month for that.
What the heck? You sound like the lamest teacher.
No, I'm great.
Okay, if you were really Employee of the Month, isn't there something you know about this place that nobody else knows that can help us in this situation?
Well, I know that there's a landline here and it works and it connects to all of the classrooms.
What's a landline?
What's the phone?
Okay, well, what good is this phone gonna do us, Olive?
Well, we can use it to distract the dentist.
We're gonna call him on the phone and have fun conversations with him, or what?
Yeah.
How do you even call on this thing? There's no buttons.
Hello? It doesn't work like that, Stormy. It's not a cell phone. It's a phone.
Okay, so you're saying we could call the dentist and get him to come out this door, and then we could leave the door open, and we could sneak through, and then save the kids.
Exactly.
The ones you probably helped him kidnap.
That's crazy.
Probably.
Yeah, I know how to get this dentist out here. What's the number?
5, 4, 3, 2.
What, he thinks he's Darth Vader?
Hello. Yes, my company was the one who is interested in buying the Abandoned Daycare. Hello? Well, I was just calling to let you know that me and my company are coming through the building in a couple minutes here for that tour. I don't know, maybe it'll at least get the guy to come through the door and then we can get in there and save the kids.
What is that noise?
Wait, I think there's the dentist right there.
He's sneaking out because of my phone call, see? Now's our chance to break down this door. Come on, Rio.
What about the element of surprise?
Wait, it doesn't matter. He's gone.
Move!
All right.
Use those muscles, boys.
1, 2, 3.
Yes. All right.
Okay, it's so dark in here. Okay, everybody spread out and find that body bag. Rio, look. They wrote a book about you. Hello, whale.
Oh.
Hello? Kids, where are you? Kids, oh! What'd you just trip on? Oh no, this is the body bag. You guys, help me drag it to the center of this room right here. 1, 2, 3.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, how many kids are in here? Oh my gosh. Okay, oh gosh, we gotta open this up. It's not moving, this is not good. Don't worry, kids, we're the good guys, we're the spy ninjas, we're here to help you.
Careful.
Okay, I'm gonna open this up very slowly. Okay, don't be afraid. Don't attack us. We're here to save you. We're here to help. Oh no, I see a rope. This is not good. Wait. What is this?
Oh my god, what? That's not a kid?
That's a man.
It's not a kid at all.
Wait,
That's a...
there's something over their face. Hello? Hello?
I recognize that chain.
It's okay. This is your phone.
Oh my gosh, it's you guys!
What happened to you?
Take these ropes off.
There's your shirt! Oh, Stryker took it!
What?
He said you gave it to him.
No, I didn't give him my shirt. He took it right off of me.
Intern, give me the backpack. Here, put your shirt on.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, man.
Olive, don't look so excited.
Why are you here?
Hi, I'm helping. I helped find you.
She's helping us find the missing children. Have you seen the children?
Oh my gosh. Okay, yeah. Well, I saw someone. So when the dentist captured me, he captured others, and he's crazy. He's trying to pull my teeth out.
What?
I can't smile, and I love smiling if he takes my teeth.
Wait, did he take any of your teeth?
No, but he was threatening me.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. What's that noise? Listen. I hear children screaming. Oh my gosh.
There's definitely kids in those bags.
We have to save them.
Where is he taking them?
I don't know, but that crazy dentist wants to steal their teeth.
We're gonna get to that bag and let those kids out.
Okay.
Get out. Where's he going? Now's our chance. To the kids. Come on.
Kids.
Let's go.
The kids are sorry. You can hear them. This is locked.
Don't worry, we're gonna help you.
We really gotta find anything. Okay, we gotta really save the kids. They're right behind this door. Help me gather things I can make a lock picking kit with. Anything sharp, okay?
I found scissors.
Okay, that's good. Anything smaller? Look at this.
That looks lockpicky.
That's too big, Olive.
Did you find anything real?
These smaller tongs?
Wait, no, I don't need tongs.
Okay, what about smaller scissors?
These scissors are too safe. They need to be pointier.
Cha-ching! Paper clips!
Yes! Paper clips will work. These are great. Look.
I found a shank. Here.
Oh my gosh.
you guys
Okay,
found
yeah.
something?
Yeah.
Did you find anything?
No, she didn't like my ideas, so.
Is there any tape so I can like tape this together?
Yes, I saw Scotch tape. Where was that? I did, I swear. I'm not making this up. There's tape in here somewhere.
I got it already.
Yes!
I already found it.
Teacher's desk, come on.
This is a paper clip. I'm gonna just tape this together.
We're coming.
Yeah, no pressure, but a kid's life is in stake.
Okay. Ah! A intern! I need light.
Don't worry, kids. We're coming in there for you. We're gonna let you out.
Okay, sticking this in here.
That should be enough. That's far enough.
Shut up, Rio.
I need to concentrate. Okay, just gotta flip this little bud here. Okay, and then I gotta flip it and reverse it. Wait, did it work?
You did it, V.
Okay, let's go! Okay, let's go out!
You're good. We saved you. They're kind of light.
They're young kids. They would be lights. Don't worry, kids. It's the Spy Ninjas. We're here to help you.
Yeah, we're gonna help. We're good guys.
Don't be scared. Breathe. What the heck? It's just a remote control car. This is what was moving earlier. It wasn't kids moving. It was just this.
That's so stupid.
Are there kids then?
Look, that's just a video playing kids screaming sounds.
Are you kidding me?
The dentist must have caught on to us and knew we were onto him. He tricked us.
So were there any kids to begin with?
I swear I saw other body bags.
Where's the dentist?
He's probably making his getaway right now with the real kids.
Oh
we gotta
my
stop.
God.
Yeah, we gotta go.
We gotta get out of here!
Wow, you okay?
Are you okay?
I think it's locked.
You okay?
You okay?
I'm fine, but we're stuck in here.
He's getting away with the kids. We gotta figure out a way out of here.
Maybe we can just pull this fire alarm?
That might work in case of an emergency. The door's unlocked.
Okay, guys, here I go.
Did that work? It worked. Come on, go. Shoot, he's getting away. He probably has the kids in his car. What? We're gonna go after him, but hey, man, we should celebrate the win. We got Shinobi back.
Thank you guys.
You were gone for so long, man.
Definitely thought you were dead, man, but glad to have you back.
We didn't think you were dead.
I did.
Completely.
We had faith in you.
And I have the evidence, and I can send this to police,
Yes,
and they can
we-
identify him.
Yes.
Oh my gosh.
They can track him down and then get the kids back.
Okay, yeah.
Okay. All right, Shinobi's back.
Yes.
Because we are the
Spy Ninjas, kick them!